One of the things with the floor drain and the concrete floor, a lot of times they taper the concrete down. What you want to do is just see how slope is on it and how flat. You see we're flat here and we're flat over there. So we really just need to cut a custom shim to fit in this area. What I've chosen is a PVC trim board just because water has no effect on it or anything, so drainage isn't any issue. You can see that fits exactly, followed the profile exactly. So we've cut out our shims to fit the floor out of PVC, so it's all plastic, so there's nothing that's going to rot over time or anything. We've also cut little drainage slots in the bottom, so once we glue this down, it can still have the drainage going through, so that's important. So these are right in line with the studs on the panel, so you do want to check it out after you've done it. And you can see that it's solid. It's solid now, and it's solid over there. You don't want to step in the center here. What you're going to want to do is we're going to cut out the hole for the floor drain for access, and then we're going to put another cover over the top of that after we cut out. Putting this floor down in a running bond pattern, so the seams are all offset from each other. That way it interlocks together and holds all the pieces together. Now the other thing is we're not using any adhesive at all. This is what we call a floating floor. When you come back to put the subflooring on, that's going to screw everything together and lock everything together as one solid unit. Cut out our hole for the floor drain. That allows access to the floor drain. And then it just interlocks together. Once we put the subflooring down, then we'll put the metal plate over the top of it, and it'll just have one screw. So when putting down your subflooring, you're going to do it just like standard construction. You're going to break it right on the stud itself. And the only other thing that you need to keep in mind is because these panels are 2 foot on center and they were laid out in this way, the panels, the 2 foot plus the 2 foot panel, make it line up with the normal seam on the plywood with the 48 inch. So what we've done is trim 2 inches off, so we've offset that so all the panels interlock together. For fastening the subfloor to the InSoFast studs, what we recommend is these backer on screws. What makes them really nice is they have little nubs on the back side, so they recess below the surface real easily and effortlessly.